This is a piece of Spode Ellesmere pattern made between 1930s and around 1956. The pieces we're listing in this set were made around 1954. A lot of them have got date stamps on, and this one is actually April 1954. We'll show you the Copeland Spode impress marks, factory stamps, and the decorator's number. Ellesmere with this very elegant Warwick vase and floral design, with green infills on the quadrant corners. This is a 14.25-inch serving platter, just under 10 7/8, 10 3/4 inch really, across the short section. Not a deep platter, but quite a substantial piece. There's the side elevation. Very nice clean surface on this one. Don't think it's been used heavily at all. Probably displayed for most of its life. Here we go with the factory marks. Copeland Spode England, Ellesmere. Decorator's reference number there, 2468. And here are the Copeland Spode impress marks. And then if we rotate that round, you'll see the A54 there impressed in. That's the date this piece was fired. Not necessarily decorated, but certainly fired. Ellesmere, I think, production finished in around 1956, so this is one of the later pieces, which probably explains why it's in such beautiful, bright condition. A really catching design, very English, very mid-century, 1930s, 40s sort of in its feel and design, and the shapes certainly hark back to those early pieces of Copeland Spode production. Lovely design, beautifully executed, a lovely colour palette in it as well. Really nice piece for display. We've got this, we've got a smaller serving platter. The mid one, which I think they were a graduated set of 3, but it's cracked right through and isn't really fit for sale. Too much damage really, you just look at it and it's a sad thing, so that won't be offered for sale. So we've got this and the smaller serving platter, and then a 6-person dinner service coming through really with gravy boats, dinner plates, dessert plates and side plates. So opportunity to put a really nice dresser display or some replacement pieces if you've got, which is now quite an incredibly rare choice of pattern from period Spode China production. Thanks for watching.